Gunmen attack beryllium vehicle in St. Elizabeth. Man shot and killed. Taxi driver injured in Manchester. Gunman posing as passenger shot by cops on Maxfield Avenue. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. There has been another gun attack on an armed vehicle belonging to the Beryllium Security Company. Armed thugs reportedly shot up the beryllium vehicle in Content Balaclava, St. Elizabeth, Wednesday afternoon during an attempted robbery. But the guards were able to elude the gunmen. It's reported that shortly after 2 o'clock, the beryllium vehicle was traveling along the Barge Main Road when a white motor car with several men aboard attempted to block its path. The beryllium driver, on realizing what was happening, maneuvered the vehicle to escape the robbers. The gunmen continued firing at the vehicle. The Director of Public Relations for Guardsman Group, Commander George Overton, told the news media that the guards escaped injury. The news media was also informed that the beryllium vehicle was delivering cash to the Apple area in St. Elizabeth. Wednesday's attack is the third such on an armed vehicle belonging to the security company. The Manchester police have confirmed the shooting death of a man and the injury of a taxi driver in Albion district in the parish on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as Corey Simpson. A police source stated that Simpson was released from prison last week. According to the police reports, Simpson was among passengers in a taxi which traveled to Mandeville from St. Elizabeth. When the taxi made its stop in Mandeville, the deceased started the vehicle to take him to Albion. More details to come following further investigation. A man traveling in a taxi was shot by police during a reported confrontation on Maxfield Avenue, Kingston on Wednesday. An illegal firearm was seized after the incident. Reports from the head of Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Assistant Commissioner of Police Gary Mackenzie, stated that at about 9 p.m. on Wednesday, police were conducting an operation at the intersection of Maxfield and Balmoral Avenues when they signaled the driver of the Probox motorcar to stop. The police stated that they attempted to search the vehicle when a man said to be a passenger pulled a firearm. The man was shot by a member of the police team. He was taken to the hospital where he was admitted.